Hey there, it's Steve. I hope you're just doing amazing today. So this is the Smiths. Please, please, please. There's 3 pleases in there. Let me get what I want. I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. The Smiths is just one of my favorite 80s bands ever. Just super cool. Johnny Marr is amazing. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that. All right, I got to get this sucker done in short amount of time. We have a capo on the 2nd fret right there, and I play a C major. So play a C major like that, and then you go to G, G major. Good times for a change back to C major, and back to G, and then you go see the luck I've had. E minor, can make an F. E minor can make an F major, turn bad, which is G. Now you can see I'm using my pinky. Sometimes I use this. I also, at the beginning, you saw I went that note right there, 3rd fret on the B string. I went to the 5th fret right there. So I try not to hit that open part right there, or I could do that. So good times for a change. See the luck I've had, can make a good man turn bad. Then it goes for once in my life, F major, that's F major, to G, C major, let me, G, get what I want, that's F, Lord knows, that's F major again, to G major, it would be the first time, and then you go to A minor. Sorry, if I said F, that was G major right there, and then it goes to A minor. So once again, please, Lord knows, let me get what I want. Lord knows, it would be the first time. Now, if you want to take this finger off and on your A minor, go. That's a little simple beginner way to do it. And then it goes F to G and back to another verse. So go right back to the verses I taught you in the middle. And then at the last time it goes, when it, please, please, please let me get what I want. F, it goes to C instead of the A minor. And then it does this other thing, and it goes, it's really crazy. It's on a bunch of different chords, which we don't have time for in this lesson right there. Maybe I'll do a part 2 where it goes. It gets really awesome, but really complicated. It's like 10 more chords right there, but this is the quick, fast version. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Great song. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time if you subscribe for some more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.